Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Cullivan, and today's day 3 of week 1 of Unit 5. Everything changes. We have been reading and talking about why is nature always changing. Now, on Monday, I introduced some new vocabulary words to you, and Tuesday, I introduced some more vocabulary words to you. So today, we're going to see what you remember from the first 2 days this week. Are you ready? All right, take a look at this picture. What vocabulary word means to start? That's right, begin. Nice job. If something begins, it's starting. Very good. Okay, take a look at this picture and think to yourself, what vocabulary word is the time between sunrise and sunset? I think that's the day. Yep, daytime is when the sun is up and shining. Next one. This one says, the last part of something. When something is finished. What does that mean when something's finished? It has ended. That's right. Our vocabulary word is end. When something ends, it's finished. Very good. Here's our next one. What is the name of the planet that we live on, boys and girls? It's the only planet that has living things living on it, plants and animals and people. What's it called? Earth. Nice job if you remembered that one. Here we go. What is a natural satellite that travels around another planet? What do we call that? What's that a picture of up there? That's our moon. Very good. Nice job, everyone. Here's our next one. The time between sunset and sunrise. Looks like it's pretty dark out there. People have their lights on. I can see the moon in the sky. What do we call that, boys and girls? Night. Very good. Our next vocabulary is the dark area that's made when something blocks the light. That is a shadow. Very good. There it is, shadow. Nice job. A very large ball of gas in the sky. Looks like a little shining light, but that is called a star. That's right. Very good. Tricky one this time. It's like a grown-up word. What is the vocabulary word that means it comes into sight? Or it looks like, seems like something. Appear. Appear. When something appears, it comes into sight. The invisible man appeared. It means that we use invisible, we couldn't see him, and now we can. What's another word for things that are moving? Those people in those pictures are in motion. Yeah, that means they're moving. They're in motion. Nice job. Another word for watching. See those scientists, kids are doing their science lesson. They are watching those carrots. They're watching the plants. They're looking in that cup to see that. What are they doing? Observe. Observe is a nice scientific word that means to watch. What do you call something that repeats over and over again? Or if you do something over and over again, that is a pattern. Pattern, very good. Do or say the same thing again. Now, this isn't a pattern like you do it over and over again. It means that you might say something twice, like hello, hello. Or maybe your brother says hello, and then you say hello. And then he says, stop it. And you say, stop it. What are you doing there? Repeat, repeating something. Yeah, doing it over and repeating it, copying it. All right, let's wrap up with a little bit of grammar. We talked about complete sentences this week. We talked about statements, which is a sentence that just tells you something and it ends with a period. That's good. And today we're going to talk about questions. Questions is a kind of sentence. And it's a sentence that asks something. That's what makes it a question if it asks something. And a lot of time questions begin with question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how. We call those question words. Not all questions start with them, but a lot of them do. And at the end of a question, we don't put a period. What do we put? A question mark, right? So if I ask you, where is your homework? I'm going to end that with a question mark. Very good, boys and girls. Nice job listening. I hope you paid attention. I wonder how many of those vocabulary words you remembered on your own. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.